Hello friends, welcome to Knowledge Enhance YouTube channel. Are you a dream chaser thinking seriously about career building? Then for you, exams are just like passing raindrops. Dedicate yourself to know each and everything that is given in the syllabus. Here in this video, I try to answer all the 1 and 2 marks questions in Unit 4. Hopefully this video is very useful for various competitive examinations. Watch this video till end and forget not to subscribe this channel if you are not yet. Let's move in. PUC second Political Science. Unit 4. Name of this unit is Social Movements and Their Political Implications. One and 2 marks questions and answers. Question 1. Who leads the masses in the entry of Kalaram Temple? It was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question 2. How many Varnas prevailed in Vedic period? Answer. 4 Varnas prevailed in Vedic period. Question 3. Who started the newspaper Mookanayaka? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar started the newspaper Mookanayaka. Question 4. When was Manusmriti implemented? Answer. Manusmriti was implemented by Pushyamitra Shrunga in 185 BC. Question 5. Name the concept emphasized by Jyotiba Phule. Jyotiba Phule emphasized the concept Akshara Kranti. Question 6. What is social discrimination? Answer. Making discrimination among the people on the basis of caste, creed, sex or religion etc. is social discrimination. Question 7. What is economic exploitation? Answer. Inflicting hardship to the poor due to unequal distribution of wealth among the people. Question 8. When did Mandal Commission report came into effect? On 7th August 1990, the Mandal Commission report was implemented. Question 9. Name the person who struggled to eradicate Sati system. Rajaram Mohan Rai struggled hard to eradicate Sati system. Question number 10. When was Widow Remarriage Act implemented? In 1856, Widow Remarriage Act was enacted. Question 11. When was National Commission for Women established? National Commission for Women was established in 1992. Question 12. Who was the first woman teacher to start education for depressed classes? Savitribai Phule was the first woman teacher to start education for the depressed classes. Question 11. When was the Domestic Violence Act enforced? Domestic Violence Act was enforced in 2005. Question 14. Expand AITUC. Answer. All India Trade Union Congress. Question 15. Expand INTUC. Indian National Trade Union Congress. Question 16. Expand CITU. Center for Indian Trade Union. Question 17. Expand UTUC, United Trade Union Congress. Question 18. Expand BMS, Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh. Question 19. Expand HMP, Hind Mazdoor Panchayat. Question 20. Expand HMS, Hind Mazdoor Sabha. Question 21. Which day is celebrated as Labor Day? May 1 is celebrated as Labor Day. Question 22. Which is the basic profession of farmers? Basic profession of farmers is agriculture. Question 23. Expand BKU, Bharatiya Kisan Union. Question 24. Expand NCIP, National Crop Insurance Program. Question 25. Expand NAIS, National Agriculture Insurance Scheme. Question 26. Expand PLDB, Primary Land Development Bank. Question 27. Expand NDC, National Development Council. Question 28. Expand KRRS, Karnataka Rajya Raita Sangh. Question 29. Expand UDHR, Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Question 30. Expand NHRC, National Human Rights Commission. Question 31. When was the Human Rights Commission established in Karnataka? Karnataka Human Rights Commission was established in the year 2005. Question 32. When was the National Human Rights Commission established? National Human Rights Commission was established on 8 January 1994. Question 33. Name the head who protects human rights in the district. The Deputy Commissioner is authorized to protect human rights in the district. Question 34. Who was the architect of Chipko movement? Chandi Prasad Bhatt initiated Chipko movement, later on led by Sundarlal Bahugun. Question 34. Who was the architect of Appiko movement? Pandurang Hegde led the Appiko movement in Karnataka. Question 36. Who was the leader of Narmada Bachao Andolan? Narmada Bachao Andolan was led by Medha Patkar. Question 37. Who filed a PIL in the Supreme Court for Ganga water cleaning? MC Mehta filed a PIL in the Supreme Court seeking clean Ganga river. Question 38. When was Biodiversity Act enacted? Biodiversity Act came into effect in the year 2002? Question 39. Which is the native district of Salumarda Timmakka? Salumarda Timmakka belongs to Ramanagara district. Question 40. Who started the Western Ghat movement? Ecologists started the Western Ghat movement. Question 41. Which day is celebrated as World Environment Day? 5th June is celebrated as World Environment Day. Question 42. Who started the Dalita Sangharsha Samiti in Karnataka and when? B. Krishnappa founded the DSS in Karnataka in the year 1973. Question 43. Who are Dalits? Dalits are those who are economically, socially, educationally, and culturally exploited. Question 44. What is the speciality of Dalit Act? 1. Special courts established for speedy disposal of atrocity cases. 2. Public prosecutors are appointed to plead for the victims of atrocities. Question 45. What is the popular slogan of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Educate, organize and agitate is the popular slogan of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question 46. Name the Varnas prevailed in the ancient period. 1. Brahmana, 2. Kshatriya, 3. Vaishya, 4. Shudra. Question 47. Name the person who fought for the upliftment of backward classes. Sri Narayan Guru, Periyar Ramaswamy, Nalvadi Krishnaraj Vadiyar, D. Devraj Aras. Question 48. When and where was the backward class agitation started in Karnataka? Backward class agitation started during 1920s in Mysore Princely State. Question 49. When and where was Hindu Widows Home established? Hindu Widows Home was established in 1899 in Pune. Question 50. Mention any two articles that eradicate gender-based inequality. Articles 14 and 15 of the Constitution help eradicate gender inequality. Question 51. Name any two acts which relate to women protection. 1. Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005. Question 52. Name the two important communist leaders of India. S. A. Dange and E. M. S. Nambudripad. Question 53. Write the meaning of laborers. Laborers are those workers who invest their physical labor either in agriculture or industry. Question 54. Write any two labor acts. 1. Minimum Wages Act 1948, Employees Provident Fund Act 1952. Question 55. Name any two leaders of Karnataka Rajya Raita Sangha movement. Professor M.D. Nanjundaswamy and N.D. Sundaresh. Question 56. What are the two important reasons for Kheda movement? 1. Demanding land tax relaxation. 2. Seeking relief during 1918 famine. Question 58. What is the meaning of human rights? Human rights are those rights which are inherent to every human being irrespective of caste, race, religion, gender or nationality, etc. Question 59. What is Maryada Hatya, honor killing? In case of intercaste or interreligious marriages, elders of family go to the extent of killing the couple, which is called honor killing. Question 60. Name any two acts which relate to the protection of environment. 1. Wildlife Protection Act 1972. 2. Environment Protection Act 1986. Question 61. What is environment? Environment is biotic and abiotic factors that surround and influence organism. Natural environment includes air, water, light, atmosphere, etc.